Hello everyone, I got some cool stuff in the mail today. The first thing I got the YouTube, congratulations, nutritionfacts.org, 100,000 subscribers, yay! Though, that was a long time ago actually, but hey, better late than never, but that's not even the coolest thing I got today. Ta-da! Hot off the press. Not even going to be out until December, but I got a copy of the new How Not to Die Cookbook from the publisher. Are you ready to peek at this beautiful thing? It is so pretty that I don't even want to bring it into the kitchen because I'm afraid I will get stuff on it and it'll be gross and stuff. But okay, here we go. We got breakfast. Dun dun. Moving through breakfast. Does that look delicious? Oh, snacks, dips, and spreads. Yum. Ooh, does that look like guacamole? All right. Ooh, I see some baked chickpeas. Soups. Did I see the K-word kale? Damn right, I saw the K-word kale. Salad and dressings. Yum. Ooh, what was this? Oh, this is like burgers wraps. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's like a coffee table book. Oh, check it out. Veggies. Lots of veggies. Ooh, oh, that was some pretty cauliflower. All right, look at that. Cauliflower steaks. Yum. All right. And then I think there's a little dessert. Oh, more sides. More vegetables. What kind of cookbook is this? And then some yummy sweets. Wonderful. Oh, that looks yummy. Anyway, you can pre-order it now. Oh, I just took a picture of my plant here. You can pre-order it now at nutritionfacts.org/cookbook. And because I so want this to skyrocket to the top of the charts like How Not to Die did, I will, for anyone pre-ordering, will personalize and sign a book plate, one of those fancy little sticker things, and I will, so you can stick it in your book. And so if you go to nutritionfacts.org/bookplates, one word, bookplates, plural, BOOKPLATES, nutritionfacts.org/bookplates. You can tell me what you want to say. You always want to, tell Uncle Fred something. I'll write Uncle Fred, blah, 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 whatever you want me to write. So it'll be out on December 5th, and so you can get it for everyone on your holiday list, or at least everyone you want to live a long, healthy life. Thanks, everybody. So excited to show everybody. I can't wait to start making stuff. Okay, bye, everybody.